At Baymont Cape, we take great pride in delivering exceptional service and prompt responses to our customers. Over the past few years, we have evolved and expanded our offerings to become a comprehensive one-stop shop in the medium voltage industry. Based in Cape Town, we operate and deliver medium voltage services to customers across South Africa and its bordering countries. Our extensive range of services includes handheld and drone-operated thermal imaging of panels, maintenance, repairs, and installations of power factor correction, generators, transformers, switchgear, as well as cable fault location. We are committed to providing tailored solutions that meet the diverse needs of our clients. At Baymont Cape, we recognize that time is money, and we know that downtime can lead to significant losses for our customers. That is why we are committed to minimizing production interruptions and ensuring your operations run smoothly. Our proactive approach and efficient solutions are designed to keep your business on track and your productivity at its peak. We strive to meet our customers' requirements at the most competitive prices while upholding the highest standards of workmanship. Our exceptional team is available 24/7 to assist with any emergencies. You are invited to join the Baymont Cape family and experience the difference our expertise can make.